In this video, I'll be showing how to replace the headphone jack on an Xbox One controller. In particular, we will be replacing the headphone jack on an Xbox One Series SX controller. The same procedure that I'll be showing here will be practically the same on all other Xbox One controllers, minus the Elite Series 2 controller. For the disassembly and reassembly of the Elite Series 2, you can watch either the tactile switch replacement video or the joystick replacement video. The headphone jacks that we'll be installing today are for the Series SX or Elite Series 2 controllers, but will also work on the Slim controller. The models 1697 and original Elite controllers will need a different headphone jack. I'll leave a link below in the description to all the correct ones you'll need for each controller. Now onto the replacement. The tools you'll need are a T8 security torque screwdriver, a T6 torque screwdriver, and a plastic prying tool. To start, let's remove the two side rails by using the plastic prying tool. For the SX controller, they're on quite well, but I find it easiest to insert from the top under one of the triggers on the inside part of the rail, then pry somewhat forcefully. You'll either get it somewhat started, or you may even get it all off in one go. Once it's started, I then like to go into the seam and pry downwards from there. You will see 4 screws, but there is a 5th one behind the battery cover and sticker, which we'll take care of first. Pry at the sticker to get it to peel away to reveal the screw. Another option is to punch a hole through the sticker where the screw is hiding behind. Unscrew the screw. Remove the remaining 4 screws that were under the side rails. And remove the faceplate. Then the thumbsticks. To remove the backplate, it's easiest to pry near the headphone jack and lift up. Turn it over again and you'll find 2 T6 screws. Let's remove those. Separate the motherboard from the daughter board. And now we can replace what we've been wanting to replace. Simply take out the old headphone jack and replace it with the new one. Connect the motherboard and daughter board again. Insert and screw in the 2 T6 screws. At this point, it might be a good idea to quickly test the headphone jack to see if replacing it fixed the issue. Simply plug the cable into it, and then to either the Xbox or the computer. Connect your headphones to it and test. Once verified everything is working correctly, it's time to put the rest back together. When placing the backplate on, make sure the 2 battery terminals fit through first. Put the thumbsticks back on. Then place the front cover on. Now screw in all the 5 T8 security torque screws. Last but not least, snap in the side grip. The batteries if you have them, and the battery cover. And that's it. Thanks for watching the video all the way to the end. I hope you found the video helpful. If so, a like and subscribe is always appreciated. Have a great rest of your day.